Hey everybody. So I figured it was worth giving this Rapid Brands popcorn popper a second try. So in the previous video, I pretty much used this thing the way the instructions prescribed. For example, I used this measuring cup. This thing comes on the top, this little silicone measuring thing. It's got the little line there. And you can also put butter in this if you wish to melt butter while popping the popcorn. I use this. I filled this up to the little measuring line there. And it called for just one scoop of this up to the line, and that's what I did. And I didn't get a whole lot of popcorn, and the popcorn burnt rather easily. It just wasn't that great. But we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to fill this up twice. We're going to put more popcorn in here. And this measuring thing is roughly a quarter cup. So, do one dump, do it again. And a second dump this time. Alright, again, we're not going to put butter in this because I have some topping that I put on the popcorn after I pop it. Now I could actually dump that inside here, but the thing is it would make cleanup a lot more difficult. Yeah, I'm not sure how well this would do in the dishwasher because it's kind of closed. So what we're going to do, put this in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes, and we'll see what we get. As you can see, this time it's filling it up pretty well. Alright. Okay, so about 2 minutes and 9 seconds is what it spent in there. You can see it's pretty full. It's like right up to the top. This time the popcorn does not seem to be burnt. Probably should have took it out maybe a few seconds earlier, but hey, it's not that bad. Popcorn turned out perfect this time. Yeah, much better. So if you have one of these, maybe you should not follow the directions. Maybe you should put more kernels in the popper. And then you can see, I mean, we do have some leftover kernels, but it seems that this is actually working better than my bowl method as far as not wasting as much popcorn. Yeah, the funny thing is it's kind of hard to get the popcorn to come out because there's so much in there. So, kind of like how I did in my previous video, or at least the video where I was demonstrating the bowl method. I'm going to fill this bowl up halfway. And the reason why I'm just pulling it out in my hand because I don't want to get a whole bunch of kernels in my bowl. I'm going to grab my topping. Here. So I'm trying to show just how many kernels were left over. And you can see we definitely don't have that many left over. So I think the trick with this is you add a little more kernels. It helps, I guess, slow down the amount of energy, microwave energy going to each kernel, so it doesn't burn as easy. That's my guess. But I'd say that was a win-win there. That's a whole lot better. Yeah, so if you had to get one of these, then the instructions that come with it may be garbage. Because I'd say this is probably close to 3.5 ounces, something like that. Yeah, I must say this the second go with this popcorn popper was a whole lot better, and I'm definitely much more impressed with it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I must say this time this Rapid Brands popcorn popper did do a whole lot better. I'm a lot more impressed with it now. Because in 2020 I started growing my own popcorn. Yeah, I tried it out in 2020 and results were, they were alright. But 2021 I tried again, but due to the home project, my whole garden was not really all that great. I got more tomatoes than anything else. But this year, when I plant the garden, I'm going to plant a lot more popcorn. Because it's actually pretty cool to grow. The trick with the trick with it is when it comes time to harvest it, trying to get it just at the right moisture to where it pops like it's supposed to. But yeah, that's one of the reasons why I started using this kind of method for popping popcorn instead of buying the bags. Instead of buying the microwave popcorn bags. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.